All right, everyone. So you can see what we have here. This is the AT&T fiber optic drop that there's the box. Anyways, they came through this irrigation here and reamed the pipe. Anyways, the pipe is broken here and then again right here. So when they run this pipe here, they ran probably a 2-inch reamer to run this 1.5-inch pipe, or maybe a 2.5 or 3-inch reamer to run this pipe. So in doing so, they have damaged our irrigation pipe. We've contacted AT&T and they have given us the okay to repair our irrigation pipe. So I want to do just a demonstration on using what I call a cable saw. And some people don't know what a cable saw is. This is what a cable saw is. It's simply, put a focus here, focus. It's just an 1/8-inch cable. You know, it's not going to focus. Anyways, it's just a 1/8-inch braided steel cable, and it's got 2 rubber ends on it. It just goes around, it's clamped together. I just want to show, because you're not going to be able to take a Sawzall and cut this pipe. You can obviously see I cannot get my finger through these 2 pipes. You're not going to be able to take a Sawzall and cut that without taking the possibilities of damaging the AT&T fiber optics, and I want to continue working. So we use this method, and with this rubber here, you just shove that down. I'm going to use this little screwdriver, little Rainbird screwdriver. We're just going to shove that down into that hole, just like so. Reach underneath it and you'll pull it through. And you can see how this wire is all bent and curly. That's from heat. So the way that this wire works is it will go back and forth like this. It will create heat, and when it creates heat, it will melt its way through the pipe. Now, there is water in this line, so you'll have to keep it going back and forth really fast. I'm going to go ahead and perform this operation, and you will be able to see. This is all it is. Slow movements.
You guys need water?
Thank you.
And just like that,